Math Challenge. Hello everyone, welcome to Saze Math. Today we are solving 9 minus 3 square divided by 9 plus 1. Can you solve it? Put the correct answer in the comments. Having said that, let's solve it together. Looking at this equation, we can see subtraction here, exponent here, division here, addition here. This tells us that we need to follow the order of operation called PEMDAS. P here stands for parentheses. You do the one in bracket first. E stands for exponent. You do the one that has exponent next. And then the third one is multiplication and division. You do from left to right. And finally, we have addition and subtraction. You also work from left to right. Now, we have the exponent here, 3 raised to power 2. Let's begin with this. 3 raised to power 2 is equal to 3 times 3. And then 3 times 3 will give us 9. So we have a new equation, which is 9 minus 9 divided by 9 plus 1. Next is division. 9 divided by 9. 9 divided by 9 will give us 1. We have a new equation, which is 9 minus 1 plus 1. Now let's go from left to right. 9 minus 1 will give us 8. 8 plus 1 will give us 9. So the final answer is 9.